so much for coming to my studio. It's always great to hang out, talk about art, go over some technique. Today we are working on a really cool portrait in pencil, so stay tuned. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you hit that subscribe button, you'll be able to see this episode, the episodes coming up, as well as the completion of this particular demonstration and free art lesson. You definitely don't want to miss that. So our new drawing project for 2018 is the portrait in pencil like the old masters. This is going to be of the talented actress Aubrey Plaza. Today, of course, is part one. We're going to be going over the tonal values, getting everything situated, getting to a certain degree of finish, but not to the point where we don't bring everything up together.
Where you been? Where did you go? I wonder if you found what you're looking for. Wonder if you found what you're looking for. I hope it's not too late. I want you back here with me. We never should have said it's better this way. I'd rather be with you than someone I don't know. Now it's like we're living in two separate worlds. Come on back to me. Say that you won't go. I can't cope without you, and I wanna hold you close. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go. It's been so cold without you here. We barely said goodbye before you disappeared. It's been so cold without you here. I'm not gonna lie, don't know what I'd do without you. Maybe we could try to figure out a way to put our past aside. I've realized I only want you. I hope it's not too late. I want you back here with me. We never should have said it's better this way. I'd rather be with you than someone I don't know. Now it's like we're living in two separate worlds. Come on back to me. Say that you won't go. I can't cope without you, and I wanna hold you close. Say that you won't go. 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 I'd rather be with you than someone I don't know. Now it's like we're living in two separate worlds. Come on back to me. Say that you won't go. I can't cope without you, and I wanna hold you close. Say that you won't go. 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 I got this picture in my closet. It's gathering dust right now, and the edges have been folded once or twice. It doesn't look the same no more, 'cause the sun has made it pale. I used to have it hanging on my wall some time ago. A picture of you. You're standing by that window, playing your guitar. And if I close my eyes, I can almost hear your song. A picture of you. A picture of you. And I remember every day that I spent with you. The look you had upon your face when I said goodbye. I don't know why I let you go, but I was young and dumb, and all that I have left from that time is a picture of you. I could talk to you for hours, and we'd stay up all night. And when morning came, we'd make breakfast in bed. I don't know why I threw away what we had. What's wrong with me? I don't know why I threw it all away. And I remember every day that I spent with you. The look you had upon your face when I said goodbye. I don't know why I let you go, but I was young and dumb, and all that I have left from that time is a picture of you. A picture of you. It's a picture and I remember every day that I've spent.
So I really hope that you enjoyed this video, how to draw like the old masters. Part 1, Aubrey Plaza. I'm very excited about the development of this and how I'm going to help you to actually learn some of the techniques that I do use effectively to create portrait drawings that are striking and just like the old masters. I hope you have a great rest of the week. Take care.
And I remember every day that I've spent with you. The look you had upon your face when I said goodbye.